Hello, guys. My name is Chris Osaze Hato. I would like to just, you know, quickly talk about how I think authors can make money in Nigeria. You know, either your book is physical, or your book is digital, or your book is in the form of e, you know, um, ebook. Uh, Writing books basically means you bringing either your experience or your knowledge to life, or you have thoughts and ideas that you would like to share with humanity. But the Bible said that in every labor there is profit. Whatever it is that a man is doing, there is profit. But um, I've come to discover that one way to really make money is for people to have genuine human connection with other people. You know, as a book author, you know, there is a need for you to go out there into the public, go to schools, go to people, you know, um, create events through which you can be able to connect with the readers, with the viewers, the people that see the videos that you have produced out of your books, or people who have been able to see your book in the library, people who have read your book. There's a need for you to go out there and have a live human interaction with them. Not just you reading from the book, as it were, but rather explaining concepts in the books that they have read. Okay, so that way we would be able to generate love and interest for the book world once more in Africa, because the the reading culture in Africa is obviously dying, and there is little authors or government are doing to revive a love for book. You know, not just love for literature, but um, love for the intellectual world, you know, so that our people once more can become productive and creative, and we can go back and revive the days of industrialization, because one of the reasons there are no more jobs right now, especially in Africa, is because we don't have large scale factories or production houses where people can wake up in the morning and go. Most of the jobs that we have today really are remote, because people are trying to cut down on cost of production, and in cutting down cost of production, we are cutting people out of the employment chain, and then thereby increasing unemployment in society, and business owners increasing their wealth. It should be the other way around. I agree that not every job should be created for the purpose of social services, but job owners also want, you know, to have economic uh, returns and value for the jobs they've created. So going back to authors, people who write economic books, people who write business books, we should go more to the field, just like artists and musicians and churches go to stadium to get their ideas across, thereby bringing the human to human connectivity with our audience. Book authors should equally organize events, promote events, market their book events, so that opportunity to interact with the readers, people who have spent 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira buying those books, should be able to have a connect. So it is not only at book launch that we should see authors coming out to connect with people, but rather from time to time we need to have, a series of workshops, seminars, conferences, symposiums, avenues where human beings can come together to interact and then rub minds. So I hope you have learned something, and I hope if you're an author out there, you know, try to look for people who can help promote your books, not just reading sessions, but from your books, you're able to gather people together and then teach them. Okay, so that's it. I feel like dropping this thought today. My name is Chris Osaze Hato, and you are welcome once more to the Real Talks Nigeria. God bless you. See you in the next video. Like this channel, subscribe to this channel, like these videos, and share these videos. God bless you. Have a great day.